Place the sponge block, with the adhesive side up, on the scooter battery. Reserve the same area, for the left and right, with the front of the sponge block flush with the battery charging port protectors. Remove the protective film from the adhesive. Lower the seat gently, trying to keep the sponge block from moving around. The width of the sponge block is the same as the width of the aluminum seat support plate. So be careful to adjust the distance from left to right when installing, so that the sponge block completely matches the aluminum support plate. In the process of putting down the seat, if the seat can't be put down, it means that one side of the left or right side is not matched with the aluminum alloy support plate. You just need to push the sponge block a little bit in the opposite direction. Once you have ensured that the sponge block is perfectly matched to the aluminum support block and is not pressed against the battery charging port, sit on the seat and use your own weight to press the seat down until you can lock the combination lock in place. The installation is complete. At this step,